Thank you to the organizer for the invitation to speak at the conference today, and thank you for the crew who's going to film us today. And we all got used and learned how to communicate remotely in this time of crisis, but we are looking forward for the time where we can again meet safely in person. Our message today is very simple. We feel a stronger call than ever to build for impact. We want to explore and unleash the potential of life insurance. The life insurance industry is a wonderful industry going through a significant transformation. The pandemic is accelerating this epochal transformation. And let's take a look at what our most recent consumer study says in this regard.
Fast-breaking developments in the coronavirus emergency around the world. The number of cases soaring just today.
Now, as you saw in the video, we did expect changes, we knew things had to change, but now, again, as you saw, we see change happening very fast. People are changing their attitudes. They crave security and want the protection that life insurance brings. People are even more focused on health. They want to manage their chronic diseases, they're going to exercise more, and they want help to do this. We see an industry in transformation, much greater interest in products with wellness aspects, digital distribution is booming, and medical underwriting has had to change overnight because doctors and nurses were simply just not available. It really is a time of intense change. As Cargable Life, we saw the transformation coming well before the current COVID crisis. We felt we wanted to be part of it and make sure we played our role. So we asked ourselves some very basic questions. Why are we doing what we're doing? Why do we do life insurance? And let's take a look at this short video produced by our teams.
We all try to have a good life. Arriving to this world, try our best at school, to get a good job. Wake up early, travel to work, come back home, pay our bills. Then, one day, somebody decides your active life is over.
Stop!
Is this the life we want to live? We want to enjoy life, live healthier, longer, doing the things we love, dealing with the unexpected, giving security to our families, knowing that our life will have an impact on future generations. Life is precious. Don't sit back. Give value to life.
The answer that came up from our teams was indeed surprising but empowering. We do what we're doing because life is precious and we value life. Surprising because we were used to a more traditional mission. Empowering because it completely changed our perspective. It changed our starting point. Partnering with our clients was already core to a strategy, but now we felt we could be much more intentional in what we were bringing to our partnerships. And after 3 years, I can say that becoming a purpose-driven organization is a journey. The more our purpose is embraced in the organization, the more our people are flourishing, and the more we are realizing the positive ripple effect we're producing around us, touching our clients, business partners, and the lives of people buying innovative life insurance products. And there has never been a time where we have felt the relevance and impact on what we do as much as today. We feel a strong call to build for impact. We want to bring life insurance to as many people as possible. We want to make this wonderful product relevant, desirable, accessible, affordable, and we want to do our own share to improve health and well-being, all of this while constantly expanding our risk knowledge. Our work with clients and business partners to build the future is accelerating. We are now transforming our value proposition, moving from a simple risk taker to building solutions with our clients across the consumer journey, and the industry needs this solution. Impact is what energizes us, what inspires our team. It's only by creating impact that we can create sustainable value. Life insurance can really add value to people's lives. And if we play our part in that, we can create value for our own business. Let's now see how our journey is translating in real product offering, and let's start with the critical role data plays. We use state-of-the-art technology and data and knowledge to work with our clients and develop solutions to really put people at the center of the life insurance experience. We already have a large amount of data, and our data strategy is about getting the most impactful and ethical use of our data while growing constantly our data pool. We continue to develop our skill set, driving use of advanced analytics, such as machine learning, across our organization to translate the data and knowledge we have into an enhanced offering for our clients, and using the data to better understand our risk and increase the efficiencies of our processes. We have also built a strong data and knowledge community to work locally with our global expertise and resources. For instance, we have developed Vite, a powerful underwriting tool assessing substandard risks. This tool is integrated in our underwriting manual SLAM and was developed using machine learning algorithm to make more risk factors than usual into account. Vite allows us to make life insurance available to more people with pre-existing conditions. We are focusing our data and knowledge to develop new products and propositions that connect with people at the point in their lives when they most need protection. A wonderful example of the impact we're having is a product we launched for cancer survivors in Hong Kong. We all know someone who has had cancer. Well, in most markets, it is very difficult to purchase life insurance policy after having undergone cancer treatment. So, using the data and knowledge we have, we were able to work with a client in Hong Kong to design a product that now provides coverage to previously uninsurable people. We're also very focused on using data and technology to make life insurance more accessible and being able to move life insurance from just being a product to being an experience. Remark, our InsurTech hub, has been doing a lot of work to make digital distribution a reality. I'll let Na, CEO of Remark, tell us more about that. Over to you now.
As pioneers of insurance direct marketing since 1984, the Remark model enjoyed tremendous success, serving the consumers that are traditionally neglected by intermediary channels for decades. However, this year confirms a trend that we have seen for some time, that our consumers are becoming very tech-savvy. The way they research, seek advice, and buy life insurance is changing. In other words, they're looking for ways to best take advantage of technological advances in better, faster, simpler purchase experience, something we have seen in our global consumer studies. This requires emphasis. In Remark, we took all the skill set we have and have embarked on a journey to InsurTech. In continue our journey of creating the best consumer experience with compassion, confidence, and imagination. For instance, we partner with the leading Takaful players in Malaysia, creating the first online sales portal, serving close to 1 million policyholders in Malaysia. Or in China, we partner with the Weishou platform of Tencent by bringing travel medical coverage to close to 1 billion WeChat users across China. Finally, globally, we are excited to engage with partners in transforming the insurance call center into an AI-empowered, optimized human operations. As we proactively partner with these and other clients across the globe, we are here to turn our vision into reality by bringing the compelling and exciting InsurTech solutions to empower the faster and simpler purchase experience, while still ensure the digital consumer journey retain a much needed human touch.
Thank you, Na. As you can see, we're having a significant impact in the consumer journey evolution by providing consumers with the most advanced level of service and technology. Now, anyone who has taken out or tried to take out life insurance will know that medical underwriting is one of the greatest pain points in the consumer experience today. The process is intrusive, is invasive, is complicated, and it takes ages. So the medical underwriting experience seems a natural place to concentrate our efforts. We do see a revolution in underwriting coming as medical information becomes available electronically across the globe, and more data is available on individuals. And that is why we have invested in Human API, an InsurTech specialized in electronic health records, and we partner with them to bring solutions to the insurance industry. Let's listen to Andre, founder and CEO of Human API.
Hey guys, Andre with Human API here. First off, big thank you to SCORE for being such a wonderful partner and investor in Human API. For those that don't know, Human API is the world's first real-time health data network. So what we do is we help consumers and businesses share health data in real time in a secure fashion from across a wide network of electronic health record systems, labs, pharmacies, devices, and apps. And the way we do that is we put the consumer at the center of the entire equation. And we believe fundamentally that insurance carriers that embrace the consumer experience and put the consumer at the center of everything from their purchasing to their claims to their underwriting and create transparency and liquidity through that process are going to be in a dramatically superior position. And that has never been more true than with this pandemic that's raging now. What we've seen is a dramatic evolution to real-time digital processes, replacing slow and antiquated ways of underwriting. No longer are we going to live in a world where people get poked with needles in order to receive a life insurance policy. And so what Human API is doing with the help of partners like SCORE and others is streamline that entire process using real-time digital health data, and we're incredibly excited to be a part of this dramatic evolution of the insurance industry. Otherwise, thanks again, and looking forward to innovating with all of you in the future.
Hey, thank you, Andre. I completely agree with you. Putting the consumer at the center is critical. We strongly believe that technology is giving us a great opportunity to empower people with their own health data. And we believe life insurance can actually be a positive experience for people. Life is precious and we want people to live healthier and longer lives. So incentivizing health and wellness through technology is an important focus of our strategy. Pilar, who leads our Western Europe and Latin America's market, will tell us more about this. Over to you, Pilar.
Traditionally, there has been no interaction with the policyholder between the moment in which the policy is underwritten and the claim or when this policy ends. But engaging policyholders enables to bridge this gap where the risk evolves. So there are ways to keep a continued interest in people living healthier and happier lives through the life of their policies and beyond. For instance, we develop new solutions that incentivize the right behaviors for those purchasing life insurance. Take BAM for example. BAM stands for Biological Age Model and has been developed internally at SCORE by our research and development teams. BAM is device agnostic, but we have a partnership with Garmin for those insurers willing to market it with this wearable. It is very simple. Those who are exercising or walking more than 5,000 to 10,000 steps per day are in better health conditions. With growing adoption of technology and wearable devices, it is an opportunity to encourage people live healthier. And it is also a way of recognizing those who are already living healthy. Through discounts on premium rates or rewards in marketplace, consumers realize that their lifestyle choices have an impact on their health. So yes, incentivizing health and wellness is an important focus of our strategy. It is, to us, what life insurance should be, much more than simply financial protection.
Hey, thank you, Pilar. Let me say, it's wonderful to work in a company where better health outcomes translate into better bottom line results. Now, through these examples, we gave you a feeling of what life insurance can be. And it's much more than simply financial protection. Life insurance is wonderful and has so much potential. Our journey has been and will continue to be a journey about exploring and unleashing life insurance potential and making it real in our products, solutions, actions, and working with our clients and business partners. We're curious, we want to explore, we want to learn, we want to grow, and we feel confident and ready to work together with our clients and partners to build the future of life insurance. Thank you for having listened to our presentation and reach out to us to continue the dialogue. Have a wonderful day.